Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today, we have for you 10 unique Mediterranean recipes you can make at home. Before we dive deeper into this topic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more research results related to productivity, health, and well-being. Let's start with Mediterranean lentil and eggplant casserole. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook 1 cup of dried green lentils according to the package instructions until tender. Drain and set aside. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add diced eggplants and cook until softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add diced onion and minced garlic to the skillet and cook until the onion is translucent. Stir in the cooked lentils, diced tomatoes, chopped fresh parsley, dried thyme, dried basil, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Transfer the lentil and eggplant mixture to a baking dish and spread it out evenly. If desired, sprinkle crumbled goat cheese over the top of the casserole. Cover the baking dish with foil and bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes until heated through and bubbly. Serve hot and enjoy your comforting Mediterranean lentil and eggplant casserole. Here you go, a scrumptious and balanced meal suitable for any evening. Dig in and enjoy. Now let's look into Mediterranean stuffed portobello mushrooms. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the stems from 4 large portobello mushrooms and gently scrape out the gills to create a hollow space. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 1 can of drained and rinsed chickpeas, 1 cup of chopped spinach, 1/4 cup each of diced red bell pepper and diced red onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Stuff each portobello mushroom with the quinoa mixture, pressing down gently to pack it in. Drizzle the stuffed mushrooms with olive oil and place them on a baking sheet. Bake in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the mushrooms are tender and the filling is heated through. If desired, sprinkle crumbled feta cheese over the stuffed mushrooms before serving. And there you have it, hearty and satisfying dish. Enjoy your meal. Now, we quickly jump into study number 3, which is Mediterranean quinoa stuffed eggplants. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice 2 large eggplants in half lengthwise. Scoop out the flesh, leaving a 1/2 inch thick shell. Chop the scooped out eggplant flesh. In a skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Saute the chopped eggplant, 1 diced red onion, and 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes until soft. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of cooked quinoa, the sautéed vegetables, 1/4 cup of sliced Kalamata olives, and 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Now stuff the eggplant shells with the quinoa mixture. Place them on a baking sheet. Drizzle with the remaining tablespoon of olive oil. Bake in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until the eggplants are tender. And there you have it. Sit back, relax, and savor every bite. Next one is lentil and spinach stuffed bell peppers. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the tops off 4 bell peppers and remove the seeds. Set them aside. In a skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Sauté 1 diced onion and 2 minced garlic cloves until translucent. Add 2 cups of chopped fresh spinach and cook until wilted. Mix in 1 cup of cooked green lentils, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Add salt and pepper to taste. Cook for 5 minutes. Stuff the bell peppers with the lentil mixture. Place them in a baking dish. Cover with foil and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. And there you have it, a mouth-watering and nourishing meal that's just right for any night. Enjoy the feast. And now we land at recipe number 5, which is Mediterranean cauliflower and chickpea curry. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté 1 chopped red onion and 2 minced garlic cloves until fragrant. Add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Cook for 1 minute, stirring constantly. Add 1 head of cauliflower cut into florets and 1 can of drained chickpeas. Stir to coat the vegetables with the spices. Pour in 1 can of coconut milk and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the cauliflower is tender. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Garnish with fresh cilantro. Behold, a delectable and healthy dinner option, perfect for weeknight dining. Bon appetit! And now something with fire. Let me introduce spicy sardine and avocado toast. First, toast 4 slices of whole grain bread to your preference. In a bowl, mash 1 ripe avocado with the juice of 1 lemon. Add salt and pepper to taste. Spread the avocado mixture evenly on each slice of toasted bread. Top each slice with sardines from 1 can, drained and arranged nicely. Finally, chop 1 small red chili and sprinkle it over the sardines for a spicy kick. Garnish with fresh parsley. A quick, nutritious, and delicious meal. Enjoy. But we don't stop there. Here is another one: Mediterranean sweet potato and chickpea hash. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 2 large sweet potatoes, peeled and diced. Cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until they start to soften. Add 1 diced red onion, 1 diced red bell pepper, and 2 minced garlic cloves. Cook for another 10 minutes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt, and pepper to taste. Add 1 can of drained and rinsed chickpeas. Cook for another 5 minutes until everything is heated through. Garnish with fresh parsley. And that's all for this flavorful and healthy dish. Enjoy. Here is next one: roasted beet and orange salad with goat cheese. First, roast 3 medium beets. Let them cool, then peel and slice them. Peel and slice 2 oranges into rounds. Arrange 2 cups of mixed greens on a large plate. Top the greens with the roasted beet slices and orange rounds. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of crumbled goat cheese and 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts over the salad. Drizzle with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious dinner choice that's sure to please. Take a seat and savor the goodness. By the way, here is yet another one: Mediterranean chicken and artichoke skewers. Cut 2 chicken breasts into cubes. Drain and halve 1 can of artichoke hearts. Cut 1 red onion and 1 red bell pepper into chunks. Thread the chicken cubes, artichoke hearts, onion chunks, and bell pepper chunks onto skewers. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Brush the skewers with the olive oil mixture. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Grill the skewers for 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally, until the chicken is cooked through. Here you go, juicy, flavorful, and perfect for a summer barbecue. Enjoy. And the last one: zucchini noodles with pesto and cherry tomatoes. First, spiralize 4 medium zucchinis to create noodles. Halve 1 cup of cherry tomatoes. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 clove of minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Add the zucchini noodles to the skillet and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until tender. Stir in 1/4 cup of homemade or store-bought pesto sauce and the cherry tomatoes. Cook for an additional 2 minutes until heated through. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And there you have it, zucchini noodles with pesto and cherry tomatoes. The light, refreshing, and flavorful dish. Enjoy. And that's all for today's video. As always, all mentioned recipes are in the description or comments below. Watch another interesting video we have prepared for you. The link should be visible on the screen. And for more healthy insights like this one, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned, stay healthy.